$2,000. That is what a premium laptop costs in 2026. The MacBook Pro M5 and the Dell XPS 15 are the best in class. One runs macOS, one runs Windows. Both are powerful, beautiful, and expensive. I have tested both. Here's which one you should buy. The 14-inch MacBook Pro M5 starts around $2,000. This is the best laptop for creative professionals who use Apple software. The M5 Pro chip has a 15-core CPU and 16-core GPU, with a neural engine built for AI tasks. The 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display is stunning. It hits 1,600 nits peak brightness and 1,000 nits sustained with a 1,000,000 to 1 contrast ratio. Blacks are perfect, colors are accurate. The battery lasts a full workday and then some. The 6 speakers with force-canceling woofers sound incredible for a laptop. The 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, HDMI, SD, card slot, and MagSafe charging give you plenty of connectivity. One honest catch. The base model has 512 gigabytes of storage, which fills up fast for video editors. Also, upgrading RAM and storage is very expensive. For video editors, photographers, musicians, and developers who live in the Apple ecosystem, the MacBook Pro M5 is the best laptop money can buy. Link and current price are in the description below. The 16-inch MacBook Pro M5 starts around $2,500. This is the best laptop for professionals who need the biggest screen and most power. The M5 Pro chip has an 18-core CPU and 20-core GPU, which is significantly faster than the 14-inch model for rendering and exporting. The 16.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display is massive, while still being portable enough to carry. The extra screen real estate is a game changer for video timelines, music production, and coding. The battery is even larger, lasting up to 22 hours of video playback. The 6-speaker system sounds fuller than the 14-inch model, with deeper bass. The thermal system is also larger, so the 16-inch runs cooler and quieter under heavy loads. One honest catch. It is heavy at 4.7 pounds. Your bag will feel it. Also, the price is high. For film editors, music producers, and software engineers who want the biggest, fastest, most capable MacBook, the 16-inch M5 Pro is the ultimate portable workstation. Link and current price are in the description below. The Dell XPS 15 is currently around $2,200. This is the best Windows laptop for creative professionals. The 15.6-inch OLED display is gorgeous, with true blacks and vibrant colors. The 120Hz refresh rate makes scrolling and animation smoother than the MacBook's 60Hz screen. The Intel Core i9 processor and NVIDIA RTX 4070 graphics card are powerful enough for 3D rendering, gaming, and machine learning. The XPS design is iconic, with virtually no bezels and a sleek aluminum body. The keyboard has good travel and is comfortable for long typing sessions. Windows 11 runs smoothly, and the Copilot AI features are generally useful for summarizing documents and generating content. One honest catch, battery life is only about 6 hours, which is half of the MacBook Pro. Also, the fans get loud under heavy load. For Windows users who need a premium laptop for creative work, the XPS 15 is the best choice, but the MacBook has better battery life and runs cooler. Link and current price are in the description below. The Dell XPS 13 is currently around $1,300. This is a previous generation model, but it is worth including for budget-conscious buyers. The 13.4-inch FHD Plus display has a 120Hz refresh rate and is bright and sharp. The Snapdragon X Plus processor is ARM-based, similar to Apple's M chips, which gives it incredible battery life. Dell claims up to 27 hours, and in testing, I got over 20 hours of mixed use. That is MacBook-level battery life on a Windows machine. The design is tiny and lightweight, perfect for travel. The laptop is a Copilot plus PC, meaning it has a built-in NPU for AI tasks. One honest catch. The Snapdragon chip has emulation issues with some older Windows apps. Also, this is 2025 hardware, not the latest 2026 XPS 15. For students, frequent travelers, or anyone who wants a thin, light Windows laptop with all-day battery life, the XPS 13 is a fantastic value. Just check that your essential apps run on ARM. Link and current price are in the description below. The Anker 7-in-1 USB-C hub is currently around $35. This is the essential accessory for both the MacBook Pro and Dell XPS. Both laptops have limited ports. MacBooks have only Thunderbolt ports. The XPS is also moving toward USB-C only. This hub gives you 2 USB-A ports for older devices, 1 USB-C port, an HDMI port for external monitors up to 4K at 30 Hz, an SD card slot, and a micro SD card slot. The HDMI is only 30 Hz at 4K, which is fine for presentations but not for high refresh rate gaming. The pass-through charging delivers up to 85 watts, which is enough for both laptops. The build quality is excellent with an aluminum shell that matches the laptops. One honest catch. The hub gets warm during heavy use. Also, the included USB-C cable is short. For anyone using a modern MacBook Pro or Dell XPS, this hub is essential. You will use it every day. Link and current price are in the description below. Here's the bottom line. The MacBook Pro M5 has better battery life, a brighter screen, and runs cooler. It is the best laptop for video editors, musicians, and developers who use macOS. The Dell XPS 15 has a higher refresh rate OLED screen, better graphics for 3D work and gaming, and runs Windows natively. It is the best for Windows users who need power. The XPS 13 with Snapdragon is the best budget option if your apps are compatible. Which laptop wins? It depends on your software and ecosystem. For most creative pros, the MacBook Pro M5 is the winner. For Windows loyalists, the XPS 15 is excellent. Which one is right for you? Comment below. Do not forget to check the description for all the links. Subscribe for more honest reviews. Now go buy your next laptop.